want to talk to you guys today about the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. We're going to refer to the Samsung Galaxy S9 as little 9 and the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus as big 9. Let's start with the camera. This is the big deal with the Samsung Galaxy S9. The camera, starting off, 12 megapixels, super cool, super awesome, all sorts of fun technology inside. Within this 12 megapixel camera, there's a little mechanical arm. Maybe it goes like this, maybe it goes like this. I'm not really too sure which way it goes, but maybe it goes like this. The arm changes the apertures inside of the lens. The aperture is what allows the amount of light to flow in and out of it. Samsung historically has done cool things with cameras. What that means is we got all sorts of things to be excited about. So, on the Unpacked event on February 25th, this upcoming Sunday, I'm going to be glued to the internet, to the TV, all sorts of devices, because I don't want to miss a thing. This thing is going to be cool. It's going to do all sorts of fun things. That's little 9. Not only is big 9 going to have the 12 megapixel camera, it's going to have a second megapixel camera. I think it's like this or like this. Look at the pictures here, and that's how you know how the camera is going to be stacked. These pictures are courtesy of Evan Blast with Venture Beat. Check them out on the internet. I'll throw the link and the credit here in the description. Great article. Everything you need to know is right there. Not really too sure what we're going to find out. Price? I think that's the only thing left we don't know about these two devices is the price. The other feature is enhanced or improved slow motion. So, slow motion's fun. We love slow motion. It's gonna be a blast. We're gonna be able to slow things down. The fingerprint scanner has historically been right up with the cluster of cameras and the sensors and everything else. Horrible place. My opinion, a lot of other people's opinion. Take to the internet, find out if you've used the Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, Note 8, you know that fingerprint scanner is in a stupid location. We're now being told via courtesy pictures that it's going to be underneath the camera cluster. So that's going to make it for a much natural unlock. Much natural. Not like finger and getting all over your camera. That was not a good design. What were you thinking, Samsung? What were you thinking? Not once but twice. You did it twice. It was so stupid. Aside from the fingerprint scanner, we're also going to get the iris scanner, the facial recognition. Never really used that on Samsung. Not sure how good it is. I don't know how it's going to compare to Face ID on the iPhone or even on the Face Unlock with the OnePlus 5T. But the point is, Samsung gives us options. My Pixel, as much as I love this phone, I got a code or a fingerprint. That's it. Galaxy Note 8, tons of unlock options. OnePlus 5T, tons of unlock options. The iPhone, I've got the face and I've got the code. Same thing kind of with the Pixel. But Samsung gives us a lot of options. That's my point. They know we as consumers want options and they give it to us. Thank you, Samsung. Namaste. Little 9 will come with 4 gigs of RAM. Not impressive. You're not writing home about it. You're able to use your phone without any lag, but it's not like, wow, this is fast. It's like, wow, this works like it's supposed to. 4 gigs isn't really gonna do anything impressive. However, big 9 is gonna have 6 gigs of RAM. 6. My Note 8, 6 gigs of RAM. That thing, power intensive. Hungry apps, don't even slow it down. If it performs anything like the Note 8, we're in for a nice, smooth device. Little 9 will have a 5.8 AMOLED screen, while Big 9 will have a 6.2 AMOLED screen. Also rumored that the bottom bezel, also known as the chinny chin chin, is a little bit smaller on both. So we're gonna get a little bit more screen on our screen. Is that screen on the screen? Both are gonna be 1440 by 2960. Not a bad combination. Not a bad combination. Not quite 4K. Don't know if we need 4K in the palm of our hand. Don't know if they make batteries big enough to power 4K in the palm of our hand. With that being said, right, let's talk about my favorite feature of this phone. Little 9, 3000 milliamp battery, not good, not impressive, not really that exciting. Big 9, 3500 milliamps. They've been so shy with the battery. They made the Note 8 this giant infinity display, this phenomenal screen, beautiful curved edges, felt like the glass wrapped around the whole phone, and they gave it a 3000 milliamp battery. You're always plugging it in. That's the killer for the Note 8. But now, they've brought back the 3500 milliamp battery, which tells me they've got their stuff together. They're willing to take another try. They're like, consumers, we're listening. We're gonna give you the 3500 milliamp battery. That's what we're gonna give you. Both Big 9 and Little 9 are going to be water and dust resistant. When was the last time you called up Asurion and said, Asurion, I broke my phone, I gotta put a claim in? Yeah, it's a dusty. Yeah, I need a new phone, it's dusty. I really don't get why they're pushing this IP, blah, 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 water resistant, dust resistant. Like, is dust resistant even worth a mention? Like, have you ever had to get a new phone because it got too dusty on the inside? If you're living somewhere where the phone's getting so dusty, you're either living dirty or you're living in like a dusty place like the desert, I guess. But it doesn't really make much sense to me why they keep it's not just Samsung, everyone, dust resistant. Our colors: midnight black, lilac purple, coral blue. They had the same blue just like it with my Samsung Note 7. I missed that phone. I love that phone. Coral blue. And then they're also going to bring us a titanium gray. So we've got midnight black, lilac purple, coral blue, titanium gray. 4 colors right off the rip. They might even surprise us and let us have a red one. Shh, don't tell anyone. If they come out with the red one, remember, you heard it here first, red. What I want to know from you is, are you going to order the S9, S9 Plus, Big 9, or Little 9 this upcoming Sunday, or are you going to wait for the Note 9 to come out? Do you think it's worth waiting for the features to come out and get upgraded and get the S Pen features and everything else, or are you okay with the Little 9 and S9? I want to hear from you. I want to know what you guys are thinking. I want to know what your thoughts are. Put them in the comments section below. I appreciate it. I read it. I try to comment back to it. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, all of the above. I definitely appreciate it. Namaste. One last thing before you go. I have here a Nintendo Switch. That's right, a Nintendo Switch. I know I said I wasn't going to do any more giveaways, but this is what happened. This is what happened. The guy who claimed the Nintendo Switch, I stopped looking for him. When I went there and I was doing my audit of everyone who won, his name was slightly different, so he's not the one that won the Nintendo Switch. So, since the other guy wasn't on the live event, it wasn't claimed, I didn't call somebody else, it's still available. All you have to do to enter is comment here on this thread. You can comment a few times. Every comment's gonna get you an entry. No more than 5 entries, and you can't just give me 5 stupid comments in a row. You gotta go into good discussion with me and my For the Lover Techers. Alright guys, I'm out of breath. Thank you so much. Galaxy S9, Galaxy S9 Plus, For the Love of Tech, namaste.